describe analog sound using words like warmth, presence, and life, qualities they insist digital formats simply can't reproduce. Vinyl just sounds more alive, they'll tell you. You can feel the musicians in the room. They talk about soundstage, the perceived physical space of the recording, and how analog formats create a three-dimensional experience that digital audio supposedly flattens. But on the other side stand the skeptics, audio engineers, scientists, and listeners who rely on empirical evidence rather than subjective experience.